Tip number 3, pick your ripe fruits or your pest will come. Oh my goodness, my picker is damaged. And I don't know if it's going to work for these. The picker, something fell on it. And it's not looking. The mouth is not open as it should. But let's see what we can do here. See, that's that tree up there. The fruits are ripened. The tree just keeps growing taller and taller. But let me see what I can do to get rid of those, to get off those fruits. I'm sure most of them are not good anymore. I need to find a flat area so you guys don't tip over. Oh, put you against the ladder. The ladder will break your fall. Will hold you up, I should say. Okay. All right. The ladder. You can see, yeah. Okay. Let's see if this picker will be any good. Yeah, something fell on it. I need to open it. Oh, okay. That was easy. Just gonna let it drop. But it's not gonna, the mouth is still not open wide enough. Wow, it's a stubborn little thing. That's the thing about these fruits. Even when they're overripe, they won't fall. You have to get them down yourself. Wow. There you go. Let's see. And the thing about it too, even when it drops from that height,